Hi guys, it's Carmen here, and as you can see, I have a pretty big unboxing here, so with no further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So first I have the RhinoShield lanyard card. I have another camera ring here. I have some more buttons. Another camera ring. I have the braided wrist lanyard here, which I'm excited to open. Next, I have the grip mini here. And I have these two cases from RhinoShield that I'll show. So the first one is the crystal clear case. I did not get the MagSafe version just because sometimes I get tired of seeing the MagSafe ring, but we'll get into that. Next, I have the neon orange solid suit case. And oh my gosh, guys, I've just realized that this is the wrong case. And I'm so disgusted. So the color is perfect. The solid suit is perfect. But this is for the Pro version and I have the Pro Max. And orange is my favorite color, so I'm even more disgusted because I was so excited for it to get here. Nevertheless, here it is, guys. I have the buttons here. So what I'll do is I'll just do a giveaway for this once I hit 500 subscribers. And I'll just go ahead and order a new one for this phone. And once I get that, I'll do a review on that. But so far, I'm very impressed with it. It feels very good, very solid. Hence the name. As you can see, you do get that RhinoShield logo right there. And hold up. Let me see if I can get it a little bit better on the camera for you. Yeah. So that looks good. The color is very vibrant. The case, it has a different feel than what I was kind of expecting, but it's still not too hard, but also not too soft as well. So, yep. It looks good, nevertheless. So here it is, RhinoShield solid suit in neon orange for the iPhone 15 Pro. Sorry guys, I was just really excited. So now for the clear case. Wow, looks really good already. As you can see, this is the correct case for the Pro Max. So let's go ahead and get into it. So RhinoShield's cases already come with the camera ring already in it, but it doesn't include the buttons inside. So as you can see, there is a little package in the box. So we'll go ahead and put that in right now. So these are the buttons. All right, guys, so I went ahead and installed the buttons, and I'm going to go ahead and try to go ahead and put the case on. But as you probably already know, RhinoShield does include these two plastic film on the front and the back. So before you can install it, I'm going to go ahead and take that off right now. And let me go ahead and get my phone ready. As you can see, I do have my RhinoShield bumper case on right now, the Mod NX. So let's go ahead and peel that film back. And peeling this film back is just so satisfying. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way when you do this, but for me, it is so satisfying. And wow, just look how clear that looks. Wow. So before I even put my phone in, I'm going to do a quick little wipe down on it just to be sure that there's no lint or, any spots that I might not have seen before. I just want it to be as clear as possible. So here we are. And putting the case on is pretty simple. I'm just going to snap it in like so. And it's in there. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I miss just having a clear case without having that MagSafe ring that's usually in cases nowadays. So this case is definitely doing its job in that regard. It looks very good. It's simple and it's effective. It feels good. It's protective. It feels sturdy. I mean, what more could you ask for? On the side, you do get that RhinoShield logo, just like I've seen that you get on all of their cases. And wow, doesn't that look good as well? Wow. And the buttons are very clicky, so that's a huge plus. This is probably one of the best cases I've seen in as far as the tactileness in the buttons. Nice precise cutouts. And now for the extra camera rings that I bought. So I have here the shell beige and the seaweed green. I thought these would look nice with both cases that I bought, but hey, I can't use the orange one that I bought because it's not the right size, but hey, I'm gonna bypass that. So as you can see that this is the shell beige. And then here we have the seaweed green. All right, so I'm just gonna pop the case off real quick so I can do a quick swap so I can show you what these look like with the clear case. So taking the camera ring out is pretty simple. And I also have the shell beige buttons as well, so I will install them as well. And now that I have the camera ring installed, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the buttons in. And now that I have the buttons installed, I do see that they include an extra button. I think it's a volume button just in case you are to misplace it. So let's go ahead and snap it back in. And wow, that is an awesome color match. It looks really good. And these buttons and the camera cover, in addition to the clear case, it just fits my aesthetic. And I'm just loving it so much. And here's the seaweed green camera ring. This is how it looks on the case. And let me go ahead and just put this on so you can just see what it looks like against this natural titanium iPhone. It looks good as well. Truthfully, I was actually planning to use it in the orange case, but hey, don't have it, so just gonna slap it up here so we can see what it looks like. All right, guys, we're gonna move right on to the lanyard. And in order to install the lanyard, you do have to have this card. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that so we can go ahead and get to our lanyard. It comes in this small little box, and it's just sitting nicely right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. As you can see, it does have the RhinoShield logo on it. And to install it, you're just going to put it inside here. And this is what it looks like when it's inside. And so now let's go ahead and get into the lanyard. So it is braided and it is a wrist lanyard. So let's go ahead and get into that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this tab and pull out the box that the lanyard is in. And here it is. This is the champagne gold lanyard. Looks really good. As you can see, you do get that RhinoShield logo on the lanyard. You also get another RhinoShield logo on the actual clamp. And surprisingly, the shell beige and the champagne gold, it actually matches pretty well. And I did go ahead and change out the camera cover to the shell beige because I just wanted to see what that would look like. And yeah, this is spot on. This looks great. So the last thing that we have here, guys, is the Grip Mini. And RhinoShield does have a Grip Max, but I just decided to go with the Grip Mini just to see what that's like. So let's go ahead and open it up. It does come in this similar type box. And as a heads up, this is not MagSafe. It's just something that you can just stick on your phone. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And as I said before, this is not MagSafe or anything like that. So you're just gonna actually stick it on the back of your phone. And I'm just gonna, try to go ahead and make sure that it's as centered as possible. All right, and now that I have that on, this is what it looks like. So it can be used as a stand. It can also be used as kind of like a little loop that you can just use while you're holding your phone, just to be able to grip it a little bit better. And this is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten to this point, I really appreciate it. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know which case you're thinking about getting. All right, bye.